having options in argparse with a dash. I want to have some options in argparse modules such as PM export. However, when I try to use it like args.pm export, I get the error that there is not attribute PM. How can I get around this issue? Is it possible to have, in command line options?
As indicated in the argparse docs. For optional argument actions, the value of dest is normally inferred from the option strings. Argument parser generates the value of dest by taking the first long option string and stripping away the initial string. Any internal characters will be converted to underscore characters to make sure the string is a valid attribute name. So you should be using args.pm underscore export.
Unfortunately, dash to underscore replacement doesn't work for positional arguments, not prefixed by dash. E.g. So, you should use first argument to add underscore argument as attribute name and metavar quag to set how it should look in help.
Dashes are converted to underscores.
Concise and explicit but probably not always acceptable way would be to use vars.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.